Hello everyone and welcome to Diva X. If you're new here, I'm Ankita and today I'm going to create this super easy blue eye makeup look using just two eyeshadows. So let's begin. I have already applied Maybelline Fit Me foundation for base makeup. Now I am applying Maybelline Age Rewind concealer on my eyelids to give it an even finish. I'm using a brush to apply. You can use the fingertips as well. Now here is a hack for you. You can use the contouring powder instead of a dark brown eyeshadow for the lids. It really works nice. That's what I'm doing here. I'm using Color Bar contouring powder instead of an eyeshadow as a base shade to define the eyes. Next, I'm using a nice electric blue shade from Nika K birthday palette. This palette has got some really bright shades. With the help of a brush, first I'm depositing the color on the lids, focusing more on the center, and then with a blending brush, I'm blending it all over and into the dark brown shade which I have applied earlier. Now I'm using my favorite Maybelline Colossal Bold Black Eyeliner to line the eyes. And to line the waterline, I'm using Maybelline Colossal Kajal in Bold Black. Then I am applying the same blue eyeshadow on the lower lash line and smudging it with the help of a brush. You can apply mascara of your choice. I have applied falsies. Next, I am contouring my face using my absolute favorite Color Bar contour. I am applying it below the cheekbones, on the jawline and forehead. And to contour the nose, I am using the thin brush and applying it to the sides and blending it. Now to set the makeup, I am using the Luxury Baking Powder by the Makeup Revolution, and with the powder brush, get all over the face, concentrating more on the areas where it tends to get oily and shiny. Now for the highlighter, I am using Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold and applying it to the highest points of the face and also on the brow bone with the help of the brush. And also to the inner corner of the eyes to really open it up. Next, I am adding some blush. Lips, I am using Plum Yum shade from Sugar Smudge Me Not Matte Liquid Lipstick, and we are done. This look can be easily paired with ethnic as well as western outfits by just changing the accessories. So if you like this look, do give it a thumbs up and please help my channel to grow by subscribing to it. It would mean a lot. Right, see you in my next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye.